Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we will go through how to make a glass effect in Canva. So first thing first, what you need to do is go to the Canva and your profile, and then we will build new um, list. So I will go with A4. Let's say where it is, portrait. So I will choose that one. Great. Now, what we need to do is add a photo. So I have choose that one. So where do you get these photos? You go to the elements and then you can type in whatever you like. So now I will size this thing up like that, and I will go to the corners like so. Now we will duplicate this picture, so like that. Now that we have this second picture uh, in use, we will go here um, to the settings of the image, and down here where you have the effects, we go to blur and choose the whole image, and we can set up to 60, for example. So we can do like that. And now we will adjust a little bit, like so. For example, we can do like that, or a little higher. Okay, but maybe we can adjust a little bit softer. So something like that. It would be great. Like so. Now we choose this effect to corner our corners here, that it's in more circular shape. And now we have almost done with it. Now what we can do is add some text, for example, and some elements. This can be invitation maybe, or something else. Or let's say something like that. And we can add some, for example, this, and we have nice invitation like that. So I hope this video helped you out how to make glass effect in Canva. So if you found it out helpful, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.